Hello friends, this is Sky from Sky Carter Colour. I just want to show you how I'm finishing off a latch hook cushion that I made for a commission for a couple of clients. What I've done is I've created the latch hook work and I've sewn a backing onto it, and now I'm using some recycled PET bottle stuffing which I have in my studio already. I always stuff my cushions with recycled elements and this cushion is no exception, and I start from the corners, so I just work from the corners and then build the sides and then fill the middle, and I just left a hole, as you saw in the beginning of the clip, just big enough to fit my arm in. And then once I've popped everything, all the stuffing in, I just sew that hole up and there it is in all its glory. So it's not a cover you can slip off and on. It's certainly not a cushion that's for high use, more decorative and delightful. Thanks for watching.